4.1 Solving linear inequality. Learning objectives. 1. Solve linear inequalities. 2. Recognize inequality with no solution or all real numbers as a solution. 3. Solve applied problem using linear inequalities. Those are the words that you need to find the meaning for. So please find the meaning of the following vocabulary and concepts. Use the internet or the book. Now let's take a look at the summary. Okay. A linear inequality in one variable can be written in the form of ax plus b less than 0. Or we can say ax plus b less than or equal 0. Or we can say ax plus b greater than 0. Or ax plus b greater than or equal to 0. The set of all real numbers that makes the inequality a true statement is its solution set, represented using the interval notation. Solving linear inequality. Simplify each side. Collect variable terms on one side and constant term on the other side. Okay? So one side the variable and one side is the constant. Isolate the variable and solve. If an equality is multiplied, this is very important, multiplied divided by a negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol must be reversed. Take example. I have here 2. Distribute 2 how many times? 2 times. So you're going to get 2x and then combine like terms. You get what? Minus 3x. And move the 6 to the other side. What are you going to get? 9. Divide by what? Negative 3 both sides. So if you divide by negative 3, what happened to the inequality? You see, it's what happened to it? Reversed. So here this one different than this one. So now your answer x is greater than or equal negative what? 3. So do you see the direction? Do you see the direction is going where? To the what? To the right side. So it's from negative 3 to where? Infinity. And what about close or open?
Closer.
Closed. Why closed?
Because they are equal.
Because you have equal here. So if it's like this, then it's like this. What is called? Brackets. It's called what? Brackets.
If we divide minus by minus, could we also reverse the...
All right, let's move on. Now we did what? Just only we did the summary. Now this is classwork, right? From the vocabulary that you open the top, insert on the top, and then you do the classwork. Okay. Now let's go for guided A practice. I need someone to read. Khalid, read.
Solve a graph solution set of number 5x plus 11 is smaller than 26.
Excuse me, can you tell me what should I do here?
اوكي 5x ننقل ال 11 لهناك 5x تصير هنا كم؟ 15 قسمة 5 تبقى نفس الإشارة للقسمة على موجب تكون مفتوحة
صح
ومن شو اسمه من 5 إلى ما لا نهاية
صح
تحياتي وأشواقي
من 3
ليه؟ أوه صح
اي مسائل قسمة 3 3 إلى سالب صح
Okay, easy.
بس ليه ما غيرنا الإشارة؟
You only divide, multiply, change the sign when it's what? Negative. Did we divide by negative? No. Yeah, let's do the next one. Next one, next to you. Rakan. What should I do, Rakan? What should I do there, Rakan? Yes, and what happened to the inequality? What happened to the inequality? Rakan? Reverse. So you get what? Negative what? Okay, so it's from -4 to where? This one is open, right? And what about this one? Closed.
مستر ليه حطينا نيجاتيف امبيرتي؟
Yeah, that's the question. Why would you put negative infinity?
معليش يعني السؤال هذا بس
Why?
الاكس اصغر من سالب 4 فنيجاتيف تصير. تروح من عند سالب 4.
اوكي
فهمت؟
Is this clear?
تروح تقرا من عند الاكس في الاصل.
Any questions? Next to Rakan. Yalla, next to Rakan. Me next to Rakan. Yalla, read.
Solve and graph the solution set on number of times.
So what should I do?
نضرب السبعة باللي بالأقواس وال13 باللي لا بالقوس.
So what you gonna get? 7x plus 7 times.
28. سالب 13 أكبر من 13 23. لا 13.
Now cuckoo. Combine like terms. What are you gonna get?
5
Okay, and here
هنا 12 51.
and what should I do? Move.
نحط الاكسات مع بعض ولا مع بعض.
Very good. You're so smart. Oh my inshallah. Okay, so what you get now? Cuckoo. Combine. Yalla, how much?
6
Positive or negative?
نيجاتيف.
Positive. Now, what about this one? -6.
But then divide by 6 on the both sides, it will give us 6.
So what should I do next? Divide by what?
-6.
Why? Divide by 9/6. So what happened to the direction?
7.
لا -6 ليش 7؟
So -6 to where? -6 to where? Easy as easy?
ما كتبت الأول.
Okay. Easy as easy? You copy? Yalla, next to you. Who's next? Yalla, what should I do first thing? Then what should I do?
تشيل الاكس اللي مع سالب 6 تصير مع 3 6 صفر. لا شيء واحد اكس اللي هي اكس لحالها. اكس صفر. بس اذا كان في اكس يصير اللي معاها واحد ما نكتب.
Is this true or false? False, right? If it's false, then you have solution or no solution?
بس مستر الحين لما يكون 3 اكس مع 3 اكس ما يصير اكس بدون يعني مستر مو ترو لان ماينس 6. اوكي
In mathematics, how you write no solution? Phi. Can I write it like this? Yes.
لو كان بوزيتيف 6 تكون اكس يعني ولا كيف؟
You will see now. See one. Yeah, who's next? What should I do?
وزعها وزع السلام.
Now we move the x's together, right? And the number together. X and x give you what? So you have 8x here, right? And 35 minus 8, right? Move this here. So we get 8x minus 8x less than or equal what? Combined. What do you get?
7 دكتور مو 8.
لا في زين.
في اكس زائد اكس 27.
27? Sure. So how much this?
0.
And how much this? Okay, 0 less than 27. True or false?
False. Oh.
True. If it's true, then what do you say? All real numbers, right? All real numbers is solutions. Any number is a solution. Can we write it in mass? How can I write it in mass? R. Can I write it another way? Is this clear or not clear? Any questions? يلا next one. اللي جنبك على طول. Please read.
Construction.
Read the one on the left side first.
A car can be rented from basic rental for 26.
260 a week.
260 a week with no extra change for
So if you go to this company, maybe Hertz, right?
Yes.
Okay, and they rent it for you $260 per week. Now, what's the other company? Enterprise. Enterprise, right? This, right? Enterprise. How much they rent it? 80 per week. Plus what?
25
Cent per what?
each month.
Each mile. Continue reading, please.
how many miles must be driven in a week to make the rental cost for basic rental a better deal than continental.
Continental mean what? Enterprise, right? So we're gonna make it less than, right? So here I have 260 less than what? 80 plus 0.25 per mile. We don't know how many miles did you drive. So we say number of miles is going to be what? X. Is this clear? That's the most important thing. So if you don't know how many miles, you put what? X. So in enterprise, how much did they charge you? How many of you rent a car from the airport or from somewhere? So they give you in the agreement, they say you will take the car for 1 week, you pay $80 plus 25 cents per mile extra. Or you go for Hertz, they will give you the whole week for 260. Unlimited, unlimited number of miles. So which one is better, this one or this one? Which one?
The second one.
Why the second one?
Because
This one is open, but this one is not open. This one. So he's asking you how many miles must be driven in a week to make the rental cost for basic better deal than continental. أين سعر أفضل؟ يكون اللي هو الهرتز يكون سعره اقل من دوت افضل. ففي الحاله ديت هنقول ايه؟ هنعمل less than. اوكي، وبعدين نبتدي نحل. So you get what? How much the hertz? How much the enterprise? Plus what?
25
Per mile, صح? We don't know how many miles, but x. And then you solve. Move the 80 to the other side, subtract, divide by 0.25, and x is what? X is greater than what? 720. That means what? Driving more than 720 per week makes what? Basic rental is better deal. Is this understood? So how many? We have to be what? Okay, now can we solve this?
Yes.
What should I do with the 200?
We can put on the other side.
Can we subtract? What do you get?
2,800. 7 takes divide on both sides.
فيها 40
Divide 7 takes on both sides.
Okay, wait. This maximum, so we have to change the direction here. This like this. That's the maximum. Now we're gonna divide by what?
7 takes.
Miss 70, only 70. So x has to be how much? So how many shikara? How many maximum? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I think x less, sir, less. So that's the maximum you can have. Maximum. Okay. So maximum you can have 40, not more than 40. Otherwise, what happened to the lift? What happened to the lift? يطيح صح؟ أكثر من 40 شكارة. Okay. This is a cement package. Yes. That's a maximum. How many maximum? 40 or less. Okay. Is this clear?
اكس بعدين نودي الخمسه الجهه الثانيه.
Okay.
الجهه الثانيه عقب الاشاره.
So it's gonna be positive 5, right? Then what are you gonna get? Divide by 2.
4.
So it's 4. It's
اكبر من 4.
0, and what's what 4 here? So it's gonna be what? Open or close?
No. Close.
Going to the right.
في يسار.
Right. So how you write this down?
اكتب 4 الى ما منها.
Open or close?
Close. عشان في يسار.
Easy. يلا اللي جنبك. خالد. This one.
3x minus 5 greater or equal less or equal to 6x plus 4. Combine like that.
What should I do?
Divide by -3.
And then what happened?
-3x.
Where is -3? Open or close? Close. Going to where? Is this clear?
So
No.
متى نقلب الاشاره؟
إذا قسمنا على صار.
Yes, when you divide by negative number. So you change the sign. Clear? Now, what about this one on the right side? Al-Hamra, what should I do here? Multiply the whole thing times what? Why? Very good. How many times you have to multiply? 3 times. Okay, اللي مش منتبه, please pay attention now. Cancel the 4 with the 4, cancel 4 with 4, cancel 4 with 8, you get what? 2. So what will be your answer? X plus 1 greater than what? 2x minus 1 plus
3/2.
طيب هنا we have a mistake. What's the mistake? 2 is not good. So what should I multiply?
2.
No, times 8 would be better.
ما جربنا ضربنا 4.
So multiply times 8. So now cancel the 4 with 8, what do you get?
2.
Cancel the 4 with 8, what do you get?
2.
Cancel the 8 with 8, what do you get? 1. So there is no denominator anymore. Is this clear? So now we're going to multiply the 2 inside. Yalla, multiply the 2 inside. What do you get?
2x plus 2.
And here?
4x minus 2.
Here?
Plus 3.
Now combine like terms. What do you get?
1.
Minus 1.
And move the 2 to the other side. And what do you have with the x? Move it, right? So you get what? Negative 2x? Greater than what? Now what should I do, ya Nawaf? Divide by negative.
حط 2 صار 2.
And what happened to the direction? Yes, x is less than what?
على نص.
Nus. So is everybody's okay with this?
ما أعرف تكتب ما تسكن.
Everybody's okay with this? So we're gonna have 0 here and we're gonna have 1 here. Where is half? Here. Open or close? Open. If it's open, going to the left or to the right? To negative infinity. So how you write this down? Open or close? Open. To where? Easy, Azizi? Copy? Easy, Muhammad?
Yes.
Easy, Hamra? Easy, Nawaf? Easy, Khalid?